Good morning and welcome to a very quick overview of the Whatcom County and Bellingham housing market for the second quarter of 2023. Let's take a look at the numbers. First off, here is an overview of Whatcom County for April to June 2023. In this column right here, we can see a high volume of homes closed compared to the quarter prior, and higher than this quarter in 2022. New listings were up versus last quarter, but also down about 28% since this quarter last year. Median days on market, as we typically see year over year, the spring is a faster selling season than the winter, so median days on market for closed homes are down. Median price point, which is an interesting one considering that June of 2022 was the highest price point we saw for all of last year, and then we saw price deflation into July and August of 2022. So we had a spurt April through June and then a deflation into August, which then reflects in these year-over-year numbers, with our current numbers being more consistent with the overall trend of 2022. So median close price for Whatcom County was $600,000, down from $648,000 last year. And a little bit up since the first quarter. Now, interest rates are not surprisingly, they are up compared to last year and also significantly up compared to 5 years ago. Let's take a look at Bellingham specifically. So this was this quarter for Bellingham. Just like with Whatcom County, home closings are up compared to last quarter, down compared to last year. So the market slowed down, but we also saw lower inventory with a much lower number of new listings coming in this quarter this year than this quarter last year. See that difference? It's down 30% versus this quarter of 2022. The speed to sale, 6 days on market, was our median closed for closed homes. It's important to keep in mind that when homes are active really, really long, they don't show up in this data. So some homes have been on the market for 4 months, 6 months at this point. They're not reflected in here because they're still live on the market, or perhaps they canceled or were expired. There is a certain amount of success bias to any closed sales data that's important to keep in mind. Our closed price for Bellingham this quarter was $680,000, up a little bit from the prior quarter and then down from last year. And we also see that our closed price versus the original list price, people seem to be pricing their homes pretty accurately, generally speaking, at this point, versus the fluctuation that we saw at this point last year when homes were still selling significantly above list price. Now, obviously, that's an aggregate. So in some of these cases, homes sold significantly below list price. Some homes still sold significantly above list price. This is looking at all of those homes closing, those 259 home closings altogether. Interest rates is going to be the same because these are national averages. There's no way to specify it for Whatcom County or Bellingham specifically, but these national averages give us a sense of the overall interest rate aspect of the real estate market. So that's a very quick overview. You can read through these numbers more specifically, and as always, feel free to ask any questions. You can either reach out to me specifically, you can reach out to your favorite Cohen Group Northwest agent, and if we have not met yet, here is our office phone number, our website, and some of our core social media so you can get to know our team as you choose. Take care.